If you're looking for the best portable carpet cleaners, here's a collection you've got to see. Let's get started. At any time, you can click the circle for more info and real-time deals. Number 1. Most popular Bissell multi-purpose portable carpet and upholstery cleaner, 1400B green. By Bissell, Save Pets. Bissell donates up to $10 to the Bissell Pet Foundation for every pet product purchase, upon activation. Tackles tough spots and stains with strong spray and powerful suction. Take on small and large cleanups with this compact carpet cleaner. Removable water tanks for easy filling and emptying. Tank capacity 48 ounce. Use the Hydro Rinse tool attachment to easily clean out the hose after each use. Clean set in stains with the trial size spot and stain formula and 3 tough stain tool. Number 2. Bissell 3624 Spot Clean Professional Portable Carpet Cleaner Corded, black. Every Bissell purchase helps save pets. Bissell proudly supports Bissell Pet Foundation and its mission to help save homeless pets. Our most powerful portable spot and stain cleaner for carpets, stairs, upholstery, auto interiors, and more. Combines superior suction, scrubbing action and professional cleaning solution to remove stubborn pet stains, embedded dirt and more. Provides a deep clean that leaves you with professional style results. Permanently removes tough messes and protects from future stains with the power of Stain Protect. Includes a 6-stair tool, which makes cleaning stairs easy. Also comes with a 3 tough stain tool and a trial size bottle of Pro Max Clean with Protect formula. Power rating, 5.7 amps. Number 3. Bissell Pet Stain Eraser Power Brush, 2837. Every purchase saves pets. Bissell proudly supports Bissell Pet Foundation and its mission to help save homeless pets. Rotating Dirt Lifter Power Brush. Our only portable carpet cleaner with a rotating brush to power through tough spots and stains with minimal effort. Grab and go convenience. Cordless machine includes a lithium-ion battery with extended run time. Power rating, 7.2 V. OXY formula included. Instantly remove tough pet messes, embedded dirt, spills, and more. Ready to use formula. No mixing with water required, plus formula can be stored in the machine, so it's already ready to clean when needed. Bonus stationary pet tool made to tackle tough pet messes. Number 4. Bissell 20037 Pet Stain Eraser Cordless Portable Carpet Cleaner. Every Bissell purchase helps save pets. Bissell proudly supports Bissell Pet Foundation and its mission to help save homeless pets. Spray, scrub and suction to remove pet stains and messes from carpet, upholstery, stairs, area rugs, auto interiors, and more. Grab and go cordless convenience. Enjoy the freedom of a lithium-powered handheld carpet cleaner that lifts away stains using formula and powerful suction. Formula conveniently stores in the machine and doesn't need to be mixed with water, so it's always ready for use. Charge time, 4 hours, run time, 15 minutes. Instantly and permanently remove stains like urine, feces, vomit, dirt, mud, blood, grass, tomato sauce, red wine, makeup, food grease, vegetable oils, coffee, cola, motor oils and more. Includes 2 trial size formulas. Number 5. Hoover Power Scrub Deluxe Carpet Cleaner Machine, Upright Shampooer, FH50150, red. Easy deep cleaning. Spin scrub brushes powerfully removes deep embedded dirt and stains with 360-degree brushes and strong suction while being gentle on your carpet. Faster drying. Heat force for faster drying, so you can get back on your carpets quickly. Lightweight, less than 19 pounds, pick up and go wherever the mess is with ease. And even clean, with the dual V nozzle. Handle material plastic. What's included? 8-foot hose to deep clean hard-to-reach areas, stair tool, upholstery tool, crevice tool, and sample bottle of carpet cleaning solution. Number 6. McCulloch MC1275 Heavy Duty Steam Cleaner. Satisfaction guaranteed, backed by a 2-year hassle-free warranty and supported by a customer service team based in Andover, Kansas. Chemical-free cleaning, naturally deep clean without the use of harsh chemicals, using hot, pressured steam to eliminate grease, grime, and stains from a wide range of surfaces including ceramic tile, grout, granite, sealed wood flooring, laminate, appliances, grills, autos, and more. Large capacity tank. The 48-ounce water tank heats up in under 8 minutes and provides up to 45 minutes of steam with optional lockable steam trigger for continuous steam cleaning. 18 versatile accessories equipped for steam cleaning jobs in and around your home, including a floor mop, mop pads, nylon brushes, brass brush, scrub pad, squeegee, and more. Superior reach and extra long 15.7-foot power cord and over 9-foot steam hose provide added maneuverability and reach for those hard-to-get-to places. Built to meet U.S. voltage requirements. Certified, safety-tested, and warranted for use only in the U.S. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you like this video, and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.